How to protect your Twitter account. You might have seen this tweet that was tweeted from Bill Gates' account. Similar tweets were posted from accounts of many businessmen, celebrities, and influential people. The world's most dynamic social network puts together a diverse range of individuals from celebrities, politicians, writers, IT professionals, and simply sociable individuals. While you are busy sharing your thoughts and opinions via tweets, it's hard to know whether the person on the other side of the phone has good intentions or not. This is why understanding and monitoring your settings is such a vital part of helping to safeguard your data. So let's go through some of the precautions you can take to make sure you're protected. Set up the audience allowed to see your Twitter. Hide your profile. Twitter's default settings allows anyone to see your tweets even if they don't have an account. You can disable this feature by going to Privacy and Safety. Keep in mind that this will discourage strangers from seeing your responses to their tweets, as well as anyone from retweeting something. Non-followers will be unable to see all of your tweets, even those that have already been released. Disabling tagging options. By default, any user will be able to tag you in pictures. You can choose to restrict who can tag you by selecting only people you follow can tag you, or turn off the feature completely by selecting off. You can go to Privacy and Setting, then Photo Tagging and disable the feature. Hide your contacts and make them unavailable to search. You can be found on Twitter not only by your username but also by your mobile number and email address. Block searches based on those criteria if you don't want to be found that way. Select contacts and discoverability and toggle them off. Disable precise location settings. Twitter displays location information alongside your tweets, allowing you to communicate with more people in your area. However, this allows criminals the ability to trace your movements, to keep stalkers away from you. Turn off precise location in the location settings of the Privacy and Safety section to keep Twitter from monitoring you. Decide on what to conceal from your feed. You can hide tweets from a particular user without actually unfollowing them. The same way you can also mute certain words. This will allow you to not see tweets of people you have muted. Muted words will also filter the tweets for you based on the words you have muted, so any profanity won't come across you. Enable two-factor authentication. If this isn't enabled already, then you should pause the video and enable it right now. I cannot stress this enough. This is very important so that not just anyone can change your password unless they get a 6-digit code which will be sent to your mobile. This is the first layer of protection to make sure your account isn't compromised. Enable password reset protection by going to Profile, then Security. If your account is compromised, the first thing they'll do is change your password and shut you out. Under Account, go to Security and check the Password Reset Protect box to keep hackers from changing your password. Keep in mind, if the phone number or email ID associated with your account can be accessed anywhere, this configuration won't help much. Now, open your Twitter app and secure your account right away. For more information, log on to cyberpeace.org or reach out to us on WhatsApp at 957 00 00066.